Hello, welcome to the Hard Money Loan Podcast. I'm your host, Frank Ray, here with Justin Hubbert once again. What's going on, Justin? How you doing?
We're good. Happy Friday to you.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, let's talk about how we can help builders, right? Construction loans, or if they've got properties, that they're on the market, but they'd like to suck some money out of it, you know what I mean, and build another house, whatever. How do we help builders with our products?
Yeah, great question. We've been helping builders nationwide for about 17 years here. And one of the things that you'll see in this market, with this compressed market, is just these small, middle-sized builders are getting squeezed out with these regional banks. They just run out of liquidity at these banking levels that they can't finance their next project. And so we've, teamed up together, Frank, for a while now, and been able to help a number of builders there to help get capital. High level, we could finance basically 85% of the total cost. So what's that
Mm.
include? Just the land, the dirt, the construction costs, and the soft costs. So kind of take that total. If it's 100,000, we can finance 85,000.
Mm. Nice. Yeah, this is great. So we can do that for ground up construction, or can we do it like they've got the pads laid, but they need some cash to do the rest, or any of that's plausible, right?
Yeah, you can do it with either one. We can do purchase of the land. We can do refinance of the land if they own it. It kind of goes into the same calculation, if you will. Simple, easy. We don't look at tax returns. We don't look at any income documents at all. So it's basically based on the value of the property.
Mm.
And we were able to lend hopefully a little bit more than even what the regional bank would, even if they had money.
Mm.
And a lot of them, are kind of capped on their lending on construction right now.
Mm.
So yeah, that's something that we're kind of actively looking for, and we want that to be kind of an urban suburban area. So we're kind of not looking to build something
Yeah.
out in the middle of nowhere.
Right. Right.
Um,
Yeah.
but yeah, for those builders, kind of building anywhere from 1 to 50 homes a year, like this is something that we should absolutely talk to them about.
Yeah, yeah. Let me ask you about this too, because I think a lot of times with the smaller spec builders, maybe they built three, or something like that, and they want to sell them. They're done, right? They're on the market. They're there. But they want to get liquid again if they can, and maybe start another project. So even if they're built, they're on the market, they've been sitting there for a minute, right? We can go in and give them cash on those properties as well, correct?
Yeah, that's unfortunately with this market kind of in certain areas of the country it's slowing down, and,
Yeah.
and so just the sales on it are slowing down. These builders build just a magnificent project, right? I mean, most of these builders are just unbelievable. The builds that they're building these days,
Yeah.
but they just aren't selling because there's just not as many buyers with these
Not as
higher rates, and
fast.
so
Yeah, yeah, just not as
yeah.
fast. Yeah.
Yeah, and
So,
so we can give them the cash, or we can roll in enough payments so they can get through spring and get to midsummer, maybe even into summer,
mm,
without having a payment. And a lot of times we're able to give them the cash out up front to make sure they can get that next project going at the same time. So not
mm.
only are we giving them the liquidity of runway with no payments and rolling those into a new loan, but also sometimes we give them cash out to start the next project.
And the nice thing is, as you said, this is really not a lot of documentation is required for us to get these deals done. So with that in mind, these can get done pretty fast, right? I mean, what's kind of a turn time on getting, hey, I'd like some money to, here's your money.
Yeah, last week we took a guy in less than 48 hours. I think it was like 42 hours door to door. But don't hold me to that every time.
Well, of course,
We do
yeah,
get busy.
yeah.
But so let's just kind of say 3 to 7 days. So within a week.
Within a week. So within a week, you need the cash, let us know. We can get you taken care of. All right. Good stuff. Well, Justin, thanks, man. I appreciate that. So if you're watching us on the magazine, or on Lulu Capital, there is a form right down below. And you can just fill that out, tell us what you need, and shoots over to us. We'll get in touch with you right away, help you out right away. If you're watching us on YouTube, just in the description, there's a link. So you click on the link, fill out the form, and we'll get to you right away.
One other thing, Frank, I think that's important is if you're out there, you're a first time builder, so you want to get started. We have a unique program here for first time builder. If somebody wants to get into building a property, we can actually lend on that at 80 cents on the dollar. So just a little bit lower leverage. Reach out to us again, use the link below, and we can discuss that as well.
Nice.
But if you're trying to get started in building and construction, we also have a product for you as well.
Excellent, man. Good stuff. All right. Well, thanks, Justin, as always. And guys, thanks for watching us here, either on Real Estate Daily Magazine or YouTube or Lulu Capital, wherever you're watching us, because we're on all three places. And we'd love to work with you. So reach out to us. Just fill out the form down below or click the link in the description on YouTube and connect with us, and we'll help you out. Catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.
Thanks so much.